Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from your computer. First, make sure your video meets the requirements for a short. YouTube now allows shorts to be up to 3 minutes long. That means your video can be 60 seconds, 90 seconds, or even the full 3 minutes. But it should not be longer than that. Also, the video must be vertical. That means it should be taller than it is wide. A common size is 1080 by 1920 pixels, which is a 9 by 16 aspect ratio. This is the same size most phone videos use. If your video is not vertical, you can change it using any video editing software next. Open your browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you are signed into the right YouTube account. In the top right corner, click the Create button. It looks like a small video camera icon with a plus sign. Then choose the option that says Upload Video. You will be taken to the YouTube Studio upload page. Drag your video into the upload window or click Select Files to choose it from your computer. After selecting the file, YouTube will begin uploading it. Now, in the title section, be sure to add the hashtag shorts. You can type it as hash and then the word shorts with no spaces. This tells YouTube that your video is a short, even though you are uploading it from a computer. The video will still show up in the Shorts section of YouTube if it meets the time and size requirements. On the visibility page, choose whether to make your video public, unlisted, or private. If you're ready to post it right away, choose public. You can also schedule the short to go live at a later date and time.